My name is Jan Benham from Pavez Cosmetics in the Netherlands, and I'm here today to talk about applying a natural makeup to your face that is simple to apply, not without using lots of products, and some little tips and tricks along the way. So I'm going to start off with a naked face with nothing on whatsoever and take you through to this. Hi, so this is me without any makeup on whatsoever. As you can see, my eyes are smaller than they seem when I've got makeup on. I have scarce eyebrows, but I don't hardly have any. I have a touch of redness around here on my nose. I don't have any brown spots, so my skin is in pretty good nick for my age. I have one brown spot here that I'm working on at the moment to clear, but I will show you how to do a simple makeup for daily use. So we're not going to go into any complicated makeup routines, with some little tips and tricks. So let's begin.